Hey, it's David, and today I'm fitting the one finger open Airbox lid to the KTM 390. So I'm starting a sort of a mini vlog series for just those little bits and pieces that aren't worthy, is that the right word, for a full on build video. So just the little bits and pieces that you can do that make the bike better. And in this case, it's, for me, it's a bit of fun. Yeah, it might give me a little bit more power, but I don't really care about the power overly much. But I do want to make the bike more fun, and I think this has the potential to do that. It allows more air in, and which means that my piggyback will then be able to adjust and put a bit more fuel in to match, and so the bike should be a little more lively. So it should be simple enough. So let's shove it in and see how it works. So we can see it's a straight plug and play. Now you've got a plastic lid here, looks like it's 3D printed with some air filter foam. So this sort of thing is easy enough to make yourself if you've got a 3D printer or something like that, and I know a lot of people have done homemade versions, but this is, I think this might be the Coober one. Doesn't say so, so I'm going to go with this being a one finger copy of the Coober. So all we need to do is take these screws out, lift this off, put that back in. And remember, you really want to have a piggyback before you make this modification to your bike to make sure it doesn't run too lean. Get the appropriate size screwdriver. Air cleaner looks good. The foam nicely seated down inside there. We don't want it caught up. So take a moment just to check it's all tucked down there nicely. What we don't want is some of it caught up on this lid and then creating an additional leak. We want all the air going into here to be filtered. As always, get these started by hand. And then work them down. Just by habit, I will always work in a sort of a cross pattern, but feel there you push it down, it'll now seat firmly against, which means we can just tweak these in. So, important question, what does it sound like? simple upgrade for the KTM. Now I need to have a bit of time for the piggyback to adjust for some additional fuel, but the only way to do that is get out and ride it. It's a lovely day, so that's what I'm going to do. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all the things that are great if you do. Otherwise, I will see you next time.